And I want to ask you though. So, I mean, you mentioned Dogecoin, you mentioned Bitcoin, but there's so many different cryptocurrencies out there. So, when these companies are going, or these sovereign funds, or whoever is going to look at which crypto to put on their balance sheet, up to that, or maybe even exceeding that 5% allocation part of the portfolio, how are they determining if it's Bitcoin, if it's Ethereum, if it's Solana, or Dogecoin, like you mentioned? How are they approaching that, and which one should they be focusing on, in your opinion?
I mean, each of these serve a really different use case, right? Uh, if you want exposure to obviously, Bitcoin in the world of digital gold, the digital commodities, or whatever it might be, on that side of it, obviously Bitcoin is a perfect, avenue. If you're a multi-trillion dollar institution, you're kind of limited as well to Bitcoin or potentially even ETH, right? But Bitcoin is a very clean narrative, finite supply, longest history, highest decentralization. In fact, really the only sufficiently decentralized asset. It looks like gold 2.0. It's the deepest market. It has the most liquid trading pairs. It has the most developed custody and compliance infrastructure. So if you're a risk averse allocator, you really start there.